My dear students, how are you? Hope you are all well. Welcome to Bulbul Tutor English channel. In this video, I am discussing about some prepositions. This is my part 1 video about preposition. By now, you have understood that appropriate use of prepositions play a vital role in speaking and writing English correctly. Prepositions are usually very small words, yet they are very important as they establish a relationship between the different parts of a sentence. Take a look at the sentences. Number 1. Relation between two nouns, boy and table. Put the box on the table on is preposition. Number 2. Relation between the adjective famous and the noun diamond. South Africa is famous for its diamond. For is preposition. Number 3. Relation between a verb and a noun, rules and kingdom. The king rules over a vast kingdom. Over is preposition. These examples show that a preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation that the noun or the pronoun has with some other words in the sentence. Let us take a look at the use of 3 frequently used prepositions in the English language: at, on, in. All 3 can be used as prepositions of times as well as prepositions of place. Prepositions of time. The prepositions at, on and in can be used in indicated to indicate time. Read these sentences and notice how the highlighted words have been used in these sentences. Number 1. Please meet me at 8 o'clock indicates exact point of time. Number 2. This year's Durga Puja falls in September indicates a longer period of time. Number 3. You can expect me in a few days means at the end of. Number 4. The city museum is closed on Sunday indicates day. Number 5. John's birthday is on 20 October indicates date. Time can be indicated by a few other prepositions as well. For example, number 1, after his departure. Number 2, till the evening. Number 3, since Sunday. Number 4, within a month. Number 5, by 3 o'clock. 6 for 10 years. Number 7, arrived before him. Number 8, from 1st January. Prepositions of place. Look at the sentences where the prepositions at, on and in have been used as prepositions of place. Number 1. The cupboard is in my room to show an enclosed space. Number 2. Mr. Sinha lives in Canada to show position within land areas. Number 3. I placed my bag on the table to show position on a horizontal or vertical surface. Number 4. I lived at 56 MG Road to show specific place or positions. Number 5. Someone is at the doorstep to show specific place or position. Place can be indicated by a few other prepositions as well. For example, number 1, stood behind the door. Number 2, above the shelf. Number 3, stand by my side. Number 4, lies near the port. Number 5, came from New York. Number 6, lay under the table. Number 7, within the classroom. Number 8, fell into a large crater. Number 9, stood behind me. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, share among your friends, comments in my comment section, subscribe my channel so that you can get further notification or future notification. Whenever I upload my videos, you get first on your mobile screen. Thank you.